Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Magic Maths. Today's topic is properties of multiplication of integers. So let us start. So the first property is closure under multiplication. So what this property says is for any two integers, a and b, a multiplied by b, the answer of a multiplied by b should also be an integer. So let us check with the help of examples. Let us take a 6 and b 7. So now let us multiply a multiplied by b is equal to 6 multiplied by 7, and that is 42. So 42 is again an integer. So this we can say that the integers are closed under multiplication. That means a multiplied by b is equal to, the answer will be an integer. So this is the first property. Second property is commutative property. This says that for any two integers, a and b, a multiplied by b is equal to b multiplied by a. This is the commutative property. So let us solve this with the help of example. Let us take a here. This time let us take it minus one negative integer and one positive integer. So here I am taking a minus 7 and b 4. So let us put the values here. A minus 7 multiplied by 4 is equal to 4 multiplied by minus 7. 7 fours are 28, and the sign will be of minus, is equal to 4 sevens are 28, and the sign will be of minus. So here we can say that both left and right hand sides are equal. So we conclude that the integers a and b holds the commutative property. That means a multiplied by b is equal to b multiplied by a. Next is associative property. This says that for any three integers a, b and c, the formula a multiplied by b in bracket multiplied by c is equal to a multiplied by b into c in bracket. So let us solve it. Again let us take the values. This time let us take a positive 4, b let us take minus 2, and c again now let us take minus 3. So we have taken two negative integers and one positive integer. So let us put the values of a, b and c in the formula. Let us write here a 4 multiplied by, and I have told you in my previous videos, if we have a negative integers, keep it in the bracket, the negative integer in the bracket, and minus 3. So let us solve the bracket first. 4 2s are 8, and the sign of minus will remain, multiply by minus 3. So 8 3s are 24, and minus, when we multiply two negative integers, the sign will be of positive. So answer here is 24. Now let us solve the right hand side. That is a multiplied by b into c. So the value of a here is 4 multiplied by minus 2 into minus 3. So let us solve the bracket first. Minus 2 2 3s will become 6, and the sign will become negative integer into negative integer will become a positive integer. So 4 6 are 24. Now you can see that both the left hand side and the right hand side are equal. So it is proved that a into b, a multiplied by b bracket multiplied by c is equal to a multiplied by b into c in bracket. So this is the associative property of multiplication. Next is the distributive property. It says that for any three integers a, b and c, A multiplied by B plus C is equal to A multiplied by B plus A multiplied by C. So let us take some values. A, let us take 2, B, let us take minus 5, and C, this time let us take a positive integer 4. So now let us put these in the formula. A, 2 multiplied by B plus C, minus 5 plus 4. Now let us solve this first. It will be, let us solve the bracket first. Negative and a positive integer, when we add them, it becomes, the operation we apply is a negative integer, and the sign will also remain of a bigger number. So bigger number here is 5, so we will write a minus sign, because 5, there is a minus sign in front of 5, and the operation also we apply is subtraction. So 5 minus 4 is 1. So multiplication of a positive and negative integer, here further solving it, multiplication of a positive and negative integer, the sign will remain of minus. 2 ones are 2. So here the answer is minus 2. Now let us solve the right hand side. A multiplied by B, 2 multiplied by minus 5 plus A multiplied by C, yani ki 2 multiplied by 4. So now let us solve this. 2, first of all let us solve this side and this side, multiplication first. 2 5s are 10, and again the sign will remain of minus. As the multiplication of a positive and negative integer, the sign will be of minus. Minus 10, now here the plus sign in between, 2 4s are 8. Now again see, addition of one positive and one negative and one positive integer remains subtraction. The operation we apply here is subtraction, but the sign will remain of a bigger number. So bigger number is 10 and its sign is minus, so the sign will be of minus, but the operation we'll apply here is subtraction. So 10 minus 8 is 2. Now see that here the left hand side is equal to the right hand side. So this one is the distributive property of multiplication of integers, which states that A multiplied by B plus C in bracket is equal to A multiplied by B plus A multiplied by C. It is multiplication by 0, and the formula is for any integer A multiplied by 0 is equal to 0, or 0 multiplied by A again is equal to 0. So in place of A we can put any number, suppose 1, 2, 3. Answer will remain 0. And the last one is multiplicative identity for any integer A. Formula A multiplied by 1 is equal to A, or 1 multiplied by A is again equal to A. So in place of A we can put any number. We can take A as 2, 3, or minus 5 or minus 6. The answer will remain the same integer. So these are the properties of multiplication of integers. I hope you understood this method. Keep practicing.